Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Xiaomi TV model, Android TV versus patch wall. This matters because the stock Play Store may be absent on some builds. Next, enable developer options and allow unknown sources so you can sideload apps. This lets you install installers like the Google Installer APK. Finally, prepare a USB drive or set up file transfer from your phone or PC so you can move APKs quickly. This saves time, and once the APKs are on the TV, open a file manager and install them in the correct order. Google Services Framework, Google Play Services, then Google Play Store. The order matters because dependencies must register first. Make sure you grant any requested permissions when prompted, and monitor for signature conflicts. If an install fails, note the error. After installations finish, reboot the TV to let services initialize. This ensures background processes start correctly and the Play Store can register with Google services. Now open the Play Store and sign in with your Google account. If you use two-step authentication, complete verification on your phone or a browser. If the store prompts for Play Services updates, install them and consider adding a compatible launcher if the store icon is missing. This helps app shortcuts appear. If things fail, clear app data and cache for Google Apps, reinstall the specific APKs, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset. This resolves most lingering conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.